welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Start by cleaning your face, then you use your eye pencil and start making it into the shape of the eyebrow you want. So we're doing an arc shape of eyebrow. So you can see we keep using the pencil. See, we have gotten that shape. You can see then we take our Kiss Beauty and organic foundation and our LA Girl concealer found. We're using the LA concealer now with our Anglebrush. You can see what I'm doing. Keep it. Then after that you dab 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 to blend or tap tap tap. You take this. Sorry, the brush was placed wrongly. Then you see I corrected it. Then you see you draw it down. Then you blend it towards. You keep blending so that it doesn't look like patches. You blend it to the face. You take your foundation, try drawing a straight line. You can see, and blend it into the face. Blend it into the face. To the other side, draw it using the keep drawing it, then blend it in. Keep blending, and keep making sure that you don't change the shape of the eyebrow. It must be arc. You keep straight, then you bend down. You clean the brush, then you put more concealer because we are doing the down. You can see. So that it will be straight. Clean it. Apply small foundation, then put it so that the eyebrow doesn't look fake. It will now blend into your face, looking originally like your own. Then clean the excess foundation, then blend the smaller ones. This one will now be easier to blend. You use your hand, you tap it in. Use your hand, you tap it in. So you can go with your eyebrow this way. So one thing the eyebrow does is to define your face. So even without makeup and all, your eyebrow already defines your face. But if you make